Hello students, let us verify another property of a triangle. The property is theorem of remote interior angles of a triangle. The property is the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angles. Now to understand this property and to verify this one, we are going to use the GeoGebra. So let us go to GeoGebra interface. This is GeoGebra interface. We have to verify property of remote interior angles of a triangle. First of all, we must draw a diagram. So click on a polygon icon and take 3 points in this interface as points A, B and C. And again lastly go to point A so as to have a triangle ABC. Now here we have to verify the property of remote interior angles. That's why we must have an exterior angle. So to draw exterior angle, we have to draw a ray along any of the sides of this triangle ABC, along side AB or side BC or side AC. So let us have the ray icon. So click on a ray icon and click on point B and point C to have ray BC, which is alongside BC of triangle ABC. So by doing this, if we take another point on this ray, so let us consider that point as D. So here angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. Its remote interior angles are angle A and angle B. That is angle BAC and angle ABC are remote interior angles of exterior angle ACD. Now we have to verify that measure of angle ACD is equal to sum of these two angles. So for that we have to measure all the three angles, that is angle ACD, angle CAB and angle ABC. So for that one, click on angle icon, then click on point D, then on point C and then on point A to have the measure of angle ACD. The measure of angle ACD is 137.38 degree. So this is the measure of angle ACD, which is exterior angle of a triangle. Now we have to measure angle ABC and angle BAC. To measure angle ABC, we have to click on point C, then on point B, and then on point A. So we'll have the measure of angle ABC as 54.85 degree. And now we have to measure angle BAC. So for that, click on point B, then on point A, then on point C. We'll have the measure of angle BAC, that is gamma is equal to 82.52 degree. Now to verify the sum of these two remote interior angles is equal to exterior angle, we have to add these two angles. So for that we use here the input bar, in which we'll input the measures of these two angles, that is angle A and angle B. The measure of angle A is 82.52 plus we have to add the measure of angle B, that is 54.85. So if we add these two and if we press enter, then we'll get sum of measure of these two angles as 137.37 degree, which is equal to the measure of angle ACB. This is how we can verify the theorem of remote interior angles of a triangle. That is, the measure of exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its remote interior angles. I hope you understand this concept. Thanks for watching.